Boosting your immune system in the fastest way. It is natural for people to want to know how they can boost their immune system in the fastest way possible. The problem is that people only usually take an interest in their immune system when things are not well with it. If you have been told that you can boost your immune system overnight, then this is not true. Having said that, there are a number of things that you can do to provide a fast boost to your immune system, but you need to be aware that it will take time to see a significant difference. By doing several different things to boost your immune system at once is the best way to go. Get a better sleep schedule. Something that you can do today to give your immune system a boost is to establish a better sleeping schedule. You can do this tonight and then begin to reap the benefits of this in just a few days of having an improved sleep schedule. You need to be getting around 8 hours of quality sleep every night so that you can maintain a healthy immune system. If you do not get the right amount of sleep, then the functions that need to happen in your body to help your immune system will be limited. Cut down on your alcohol intake. This might not be popular with you, but you can quickly give your immune system a boost by reducing your alcohol intake. There is a definite connection between drinking too much and on a regular basis and a significantly compromised immune system. The good news is that by reducing your intake or stopping drinking, the damage is reversible. If you are a consistent drinker and you drastically cut back, then you will see an improvement with your immune system as fast as 24 to 48 hours. Practice good hygiene. There is no excuse for not practicing good hygiene. When you do this, it will significantly reduce your risk of becoming sick. Always wash your hands thoroughly and avoid touching your face. Keep your body clean regularly so that you keep bacteria and viruses away. When you deny harmful pathogens entry into your body in the first place, you will not need a strong immune system because it will not have to deal with anything. You can never keep bad bacteria out 100% no matter how clean you are, so always work on strengthening your immune system. Switch to a healthier diet. You can make the transition to a healthier diet really fast. We are not saying that this is easy, but if you want to boost your immune system, then it is one of the best ways to do it. Go for a diet that has a high fruit and vegetable content, as this is best for your immune system. Fruit and vegetables will supply the right micronutrients for a healthy immune system. If your diet is unhealthy, then your immune system will not be as strong as it needs to be, which means that it will not provide the same level of protection from disease.